Alright guys, welcome back. So we got a little Scirocco here I've just bought. It's too bad. Some lack appeal. Yeah, I bought this up mate up north. I got my other pal to drive it back down for me because I was on holiday at the time. But yeah, I paid 900 for it and 50 for the delivery, so not bad. Have a little walk around quickly now and just show you bits of it. Obviously, like you see, there's a lack of peel here. I don't know what we can do about this. I'll have to have a look. Wheels, I reckon they'll clean up. Need some centre caps. All the discs and that look alright. I think one of the tyres was needing changing. Back, a little bit of lacquer on there. Bumper, a little bit of damage here. Might try to heat it up and just give this a little touch of paint. Just clean it up, make it look a little nicer. Maybe change the number plates as well. Rear parking sensors. This side's pretty good, to be fair. But there's a bit of lacquer there. Yeah, a little lacquer peel there. So I think that's just dirt. Obviously the front bumper needs painting. Looks like he's tapped it as well there. That needs polishing. That side's alright. Bit of a mess going on here. Might try painting this myself, I'm not sure. A bit of lacquer on the bonnet. Big marks here, I don't know what that's about. Windscreen looks alright. I think I've got the key on me here. Just one key as well. One on lock for some reason. Inside's nice, little flat bottom steering wheel. 4 seats, 6 speed. This thing's fast, it's got like 200 brake horsepower. Yeah, it's rapid, it's been remapped as well. It's on 129k. Honestly, if it was like obviously it's not a 5-door. I've got like a kid, so it's not easy putting a car seat in and out of a 3-door, so if it was a 5-door, I would keep it, man. This thing is so fast. It's crazy. We got here, we got any sat nav? No. AC, which works. Heated seats. It's a nice little spec. I couldn't find cruise control though. I don't know if it's high, low, off, no. Yeah, I think it would have cruise control. But I don't think it does. My mate had to drive it back like 6-7 hours and he had no cruise control. Poor guy. Yeah, got comfort sport mode. It's nice, man, I like it. There is some manuals, I think they're in the boot. What's that, is that the boot? Yeah, nice. Electric windows. I put a new battery in it as well, so I told him to give me the old one. What was that, bro? Okay, that's fine. And how's the welding rods on the floor? I don't even mind, bro, what the hell? Yeah, there's a spring I think that goes in that. Where the hell did that go? I'll look for that in a minute. Yeah, I think there's some service history in here. He got the clutch done and the belt as well, but he doesn't have the receipt for it, which is annoying, because that would have helped sell it. I'll probably still put it in the ad and just said I have proof of it, but it has been done, so take that with what you want. I mean, you can tell the clutch has been done by getting in it and feeling it. And the belt, you might be able to see, I'll have to check on the engine. Yeah, let me quickly look for this thing and then I'll cut back in, because it goes on here. It's got this little clip thing. I think there's a spring inside of it, so let me try and find that quickly. Alright, I couldn't find that spring there, but I've just clipped it back on. Should be alright. Yeah, my plan with this though is probably, I kind of want to get the paintwork done. I mean, I could probably sell it as is. You know, I've got 950 in it so far. Got polish the headlights, probably get a tyre done, get it MOT'd, give it a service probably. I'm not sure when the last one was. Might have been done, I can't remember, I'll have to check. But yeah, I kind of want to get the paint done, but I could just do that, get the MOT, service, you know, the main things out the way, and just sell it as is, you know, with a bit of damage and stuff. Probably polish the headlight, because that makes a difference, and maybe change the number plates, but don't go too crazy on it kind of thing. Sell it as is for like, I don't know, 1800 quid or something. I think it should be worth that. 123k on a diesel, 2010 fast car, you know, someone will buy that for 1800. Or, you know, go full whack, get the paint work done. Not all of it, I don't think. Maybe try and touch the lacquering. I don't know how you, I could just take a little bit of lacquer or something. And then maybe be able to lift it for like 2.5, 3 maybe. You know, if it looks presentable on the outside. Like the inside's spot on, it's just the outside that's a mess. It's not like smashed up or anything, it's just all the red paint just doesn't do well, does it? So yeah, I need to think about that. Maybe you guys could let me know. Let's get in it. Yeah, I've never had a Scirocco. I've always wanted one though. I think they're really nice cars. Lovely. Just a diesel, isn't it? Yeah, sounds spawned, doesn't it? Let's pack the bonnet and show you under there. New battery, that terminal looks a bit, push that down and tighten it properly. Is that secure? No. No, it's in there. Oh yeah, it's tight. Fuel filter, coolant, yep. Oil filter down there, nice. Them headlights. This one's pretty bad. Honestly, it's really quiet for a diesel. I can hardly even hear it. That's mad. Yeah, quite happy with it though. I think it should make a decent little car for someone. Take these stickers off, dirty diesel. Take them off. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm just debating if I go crazy and make it really nice, or just leave it as is and, you know, like 700-800 quid on it or something. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll probably start. I mean, I need to give it a good clean and stuff. See how good it comes up. Maybe I can fix this damage. You know, anything I can do for free, you know, that improves it, we'll do that obviously. Then it just depends how much I want to spend on it, because paintwork isn't cheap, is it? I do have actually, because I changed that bumper for him because he drove into a deer or something. I actually still have his old bumper here. It's cracked up here, so I could plastic weld that back together, and I don't have to paint, do I? Because obviously it's got a little crack back there, a little crack down there, but this side's fine. So that's an option. I might even try doing that, honestly. I'd put that back on it. Well, I just can't remember. I'm pretty sure we had some some issues fitting the front bumper. I'm not gonna say I botched it, but like, you know, when you don't have the proper clips. I can't remember what we did to get it on. I mean, I'll be able to take it off and put a new one back on. It won't be a problem, but I just know it's not going to be as easy as normal. Maybe I had to, like, I can't remember if I had to tighten like a nut and bolt on the inside or something, so I can't remember. But I mean, it looks all fine. I'll show you. Like, there's no ridiculous side of that. Yeah, like all the gaps line up. Like I said, I did fit it. Obviously, it's been damaged somehow here. That one's fine. He's damaged it here, but you know, it all lines up and fits nice. So yeah, I could just get that red bumper, plastic roll it back together and put that back on it, and there'll just be some hairline cracks in it. Or I'll try and get that one painted, I don't know. Decisions. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you think I got a good deal on it. I think it's pretty decent. Obviously he's a mate, so he doesn't mug me off or anything. Yeah, let me know what you think it's worth and what I should, if I should get all the work done or just get the minimum, like service, MOT, make sure it's safe and all that, and get it sold. Alright, yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think. Sorry there wasn't any work going down in this one, but I thought I'd just record this video, see what you guys think of it, and get it out there. And then the next video will be, you know, packed me full of getting everything sorted on it. Hopefully up for sale. We can make some money. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.